it's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review for QueenLife hair, and if that name does sound familiar, I did do a review for them last year and I will link that video down below. So today's tutorial is going to be on how to get the asymmetrical bob with a closure. So yeah, this is the closure wig that I made. So if you want to know how to get this extra cute cut, you know, it is asymmetrical. It's long on this side and then shorter on this side. If you haven't already, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so you guys can check out some pictures of this hair. And also make sure that you guys have your post notification bell on, turn that on, so that way you guys will know the next time that I upload a video. So if you guys want to see how I got this asymmetrical bob, then just continue watching.
You're somebody else's guy, but these feelings that I have for you I can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you want her to, so come on, stop running, I wanna get with you. What your girl don't know won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one.
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Have to slop the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I said the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I gotta open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. So and said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. So and said, so and said, so and said.
Duffels in my hands. I did half a Zen, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night, ayy. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, paid the price, yeah. Niggas think it's sweet, just on sight, yeah. Nothing nice, Vegas in my ice, Jesus Christ. Checks over stripes, yeah, that's what I like, that's what we like. Lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on checks. See the shots that I took, wet like on Brooke, wet like on Lizzie. I'll be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm dizzy. Like where is he? No one seen him, tryna clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with doubles in my hands. I did half a Zen, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, Pastor Dawson Sally sending texts and sending kites. Yeah, he said keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo, La Ferrari, some Jamba Juice. Yeah, we back on the road, they jumping off no parachute. Yeah, the shorty in the back, she said she working on the glutes. This how it look, yeah. About to check, yeah. Just check the foots, yeah. Pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover Forbes, got these other bitches shook, yeah.
I'm gonna take my time. She gon' get hers before I
down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you.
Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you.
Someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me.
Only you. 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 Only you.
No matter the time.
Honey, I am feeling classy, okay? I went and got my fur. I have my satin bra on. I have my pencil skirts. Okay, it's a whole look. Okay, guys, no, but for real. So this is obviously the finished look. I wanted to show you guys how I cut this hair because, to be completely honest, you guys, this is literally my first time ever cutting my hair like this. I've never cut my hair like this. I kind of was just winging it and hoping it would turn out, you know, good, and it did. I think a thing that really helped was the fact that the quality of this hair is actually really nice. I've worked with them before, but I mean, as you guys can see, like, it's a lot of like body in it. It's very full and it just has like a really nice movement to it. Probably after a while I might end up cutting this side a little bit shorter, but for now I really do like the asymmetrical kind of look because that was the look that I was going for. And then also, you know, of course you can pull it behind your ear, which is also really cute, and you know, you can show off your little stud earrings and it still looks really nice. So I have worked with QueenLife previously. I worked with them last year, and when I worked with them last year I did like this curly hair. I'll leave the link to the video down below. I looked very exotic in this hair. I really enjoyed that curly hair. It was just a nice, wild, you know, wet and like, not a, I hate saying wet and wavy because wet and wavy just seems like very beauty supply store. Now let me give you guys the true tea about why I cut my hair like this. Now I cut my hair like this because I felt like I like the fullness that it is right here, but I noticed when I was sewing up the wig that the ends of the hair seemed a little bit on the thinner side, and I didn't want to have like thin, like I didn't mind my hair being straight, but I didn't want to have like thin bundles, and I don't know why the reason for that was, but the very ends of it, you know how like you have those bundles that are really thick at the top and then they get thin at the end? That was pretty much how this hair was. Like it was really thick up top, and once you got to the ends it was more on the thin side. So that's why I feel like my hair here is just like nice and really full. So that was just the only con that I really had, was that the ends were on the thinner side. But other than that, I mean the hair, I mean you guys can see how nice this hair, stupid lip gloss. I mean, other than that though, you guys can see that this is some really nice quality hair. It has like a nice movement to it, which I love. I really like this color as well. I think it looks very like grown and sexy. That's why I had to put like this little look together, because I was like, you know what, I'm feeling classy with this bob. Like I feel like I need to go, like I need a glass of like champagne right here. I need to like go on a date, or like, you know, like a nice little get together with your girls or something. So I am wearing a 16-inch closure and then 3 bundles of 16-inch. There was no tangling, no shedding, no problems like running my fingers through this hair at all. I don't really have any product on this hair either. The only thing that I have on is my heat protectant spray, which is why I feel like the hair is moving as well as it is. It's very important to make sure you're not weighing down your hair with a lot of product, especially if you want to have a bob like this. When you're on the website and you do see the colored hair, at first you're only gonna see like the bundles. They're not gonna have like a picture of the bundles and the closure, but don't let that bother you, because when you look on the website you'll see there's a section for the matching closure. So even though it'll look like you're just buying bundles, there's a section when you click on it, and it'll give you like a list of different lengths for closures that you can get with that. So just to let you guys know, this hair is so freaking affordable. So for 3 bundles of this 99J color is only $85, and then that's for 16-inch, which is basically what I ordered. But obviously if you're gonna cut it into a bob, you don't technically need to get the 16-inch. 12-inch closure, 12-inch bundles, and then you can get it for even cheaper, because obviously, you know, I cut my hair so, and that's just to say if you are gonna cut your hair in a bob like this. Now if you're just gonna keep it long, 16 inches was still perfectly fine. That was $85 for the 3 bundles, and then for the closure, I believe it was $55 for just the closure. They also have other colors too. So if you didn't want your hair this color, they have pink, they have purple, they have green, red. Practically every color you can think of, they have it on their website, and they're all around that same amount. So you guys can really save yourself a lot of money, especially for those people that don't like full on color. Some people like and prefer to have a dark root because it makes it look more natural, and it is better as far as like blending in with your skin tone. So you guys, that about wraps up today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.